Imagine we're testing a software application. The test environment, including databases, servers, and application versions, is a configuration item. If we don't manage it properly, we might run tests on the wrong version and get inconsistent results.
That makes sense. Sara, I've been hearing a lot about configuration management in testing, but I'm not sure I fully understand it. Can you explain it to me?
Absolutely, Bob. Configuration management, or CM, is all about keeping track of and controlling the different work products used in testing, like test cases, test scripts, test reports, and even test environments.
So it's like an organized way to manage everything related to testing.
Exactly. Imagine we're testing a software application. The test environment, including databases, servers, and application versions, is a configuration item. If we don't manage it properly, we might run tests on the wrong version and get inconsistent results.
That makes sense. So how do we ensure everything stays in control?
CM ensures that all items are uniquely identified, version controlled, and tracked for changes. If an item is approved for testing, it becomes a baseline, meaning any future changes need to go through a formal process.
So, if something breaks, we can roll back to a previous baseline.
Exactly. That way, we can reproduce previous test results and ensure consistency. This is especially important in automated DevOps pipelines where continuous integration and continuous delivery happen.
Got it. That's really useful. Now, speaking of keeping things in check, what about defect management? I assume that's just tracking bugs?
Well, it's more than just tracking bugs. Defect management is a structured process to handle all reported anomalies, whether they're actual defects, false positives, or change requests.
So just because we report an issue doesn't mean it's actually a defect?
Exactly. Sometimes the issue could be due to a misunderstanding of the requirement. That's why defect analysis is important.
What does the defect management process look like?
It typically involves logging the defect, analyzing it, classifying it, deciding whether to fix it, and then eventually closing it.
So it's not just about fixing bugs, but managing the entire process.
Exactly. A well-documented defect report helps developers understand and fix the issue efficiently.
What should a good defect report include?
A few key things. A unique identifier and a short, clear title. The date, author, and organization. Information about the test object and environment. Steps to reproduce the issue with screenshots or logs if necessary. Expected versus actual results. Severity and priority of the defect. Current status like open, deferred, or closed.
Wow, that's a lot of details. But I guess it makes debugging easier.
Exactly. Plus, tracking defects helps assess product quality and improve both development and testing processes over time.
This is great info, Sara. I feel like I'm really starting to understand how everything fits together.
I'm glad to hear that, Bob. Testing isn't just about finding defects. It's about managing risks, ensuring consistency, and continuously improving the process.
Sounds like I've got a lot to learn, but I'm excited.
That's the spirit. Let's keep going. We've got more testing concepts to explore.
Testtactix, upskill, innovate, succeed. Want to succeed in your QA journey? Subscribe for more engaging videos like this and take your QA skills to the next level.